Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Although summer is almost over and fall is just around the corner, we can still enjoy the beautiful tropical flavors. This featured recipe is not one of my creations but my husband's, David. It's a hit every time he serves it. It's an easy dish to make and yet amazingly tasty. Here it is. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make his Hawaiian Chicken Curry. The combination of ingredients such as pineapple, ginger, and garlic in creamy coconut milk gives this dish a remarkable, unique flavor. This tropical recipe will certainly please your taste buds. So my friends, let's get cooking. First, we'll add oil in a large deep saucepan over medium heat. When it's hot but not smoking, we'll add onions and red peppers. We'll cook the vegetables until soft, about 5 minutes. To this, we'll add the chicken and mix with the other ingredients. We'll season with freshly ground black pepper and then pour in sesame oil and coconut oil. We'll stir the ingredients very well and cook the chicken just halfway before adding the pressed garlic and the minced ginger. We'll stir constantly until the chicken is cooked. To this, we'll add a mango chutney and stir very well for a couple minutes. Then we'll add the fresh pineapple and the coconut milk. We'll cook again for 2 minutes. Next, we'll add some curry powder and more freshly ground black pepper. We'll blend the ingredients together and cook for 10 minutes so the flavors have time to develop. The last step is to add the cornstarch mixture. We'll give a good stir until the sauce thickens, which should take less than a minute. Then we'll remove from the heat and serve immediately over a bed of rice and sprinkle some coconut flakes on top. And my friends, this is our Hawaiian chicken curry. With a delightful combination of ingredients, this tasty dish is sure to please everyone. It has a great balance of both savory and sweet flavors. I'm telling you, after making this recipe, it will certainly become one of your family's favorites. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!